Hello everyone, welcome to Admission Updates. In this video, we will confabulate about Z 2019 to 2021 cutoffs. We will see the section-wise cutoff as well as overall cutoff of 2019, 2020 and 2021. So let's start the video. The first one is Z 2021 cutoff for business management. See, here the blue color shows male, the orange color shows female, gray color is for SC and yellow color for ST. So in VALR section, the cutoff for male candidates was 76 marks. For the female candidates, the cutoff in VALR section was 70 marks. For SC/ST, the cutoff marks was 60 marks, and for ST candidates, the cutoff marks was 55 marks. Similarly, for the second section, that is DM, the cutoff marks in males category was 74 marks. Then for female category the cutoff was 70 marks. For SC category the cutoff marks was 60, and then in ST category the cutoff marks was 55. In the QA section, the cutoff marks for the male category was 83 marks. Then in female category the cutoff marks was 75. Then for SC category the cutoff marks in QA section was 60 marks. Then for SC category the cutoff marks in QA section was 55 marks. So the overall cutoff marks for male was 94, then for female was 92, and then for SC was 65, and for ST the final cutoff, the overall cutoff was 60 marks. We are talking about business management program. Let us see what is next. So next is Z 2021 cutoff for human resource management, that is HRM program. Here blue one is for male, orange is for female, gray is for male non-engineering, yellow is for female non-engineering, then blue is for you can say sky blue or dark blue is for SC category, and then this green one is for ST category. Let us talk about the cutoff. The cutoff marks in male category was 80 in VALR section. Then for female the cutoff marks was 75. Then for male non-engineering the cutoff marks was 80. Then female non-engineering the cutoff marks was 75. Then for SC category in VALR section the cutoff was 55 marks, and then for ST category the cutoff was 50 marks. Let us move on to next section. This is DM, and the cutoff for male engineering in DM section was 75. For female it is 68. Then for female non-engineering the cutoff was 75. For female non-engineering the cutoff was 68. Then for SC category the cutoff was 55, and then for ST category the cutoff was 50 marks. Now if we talk about the QA section, male engineering the cutoff was 80 marks. Then female engineering the cutoff was 74. For male non-engineering cutoff was 73 marks. Female non-engineering the cutoff was 64 marks. Then for SC category the cutoff for ST category in QA section was 50 marks. Now if we will talk about the overall cutoff marks of different categories for human resource management program, it is the overall cutoff for male engineering was 93, then for female engineering 90, for male non-engineering cutoff marks was 90, for female non-engineering the cutoff marks was 87, then for ST category the cutoff marks was 65, and for for SC category it was 65, and then for ST category the cutoff was 55 marks. So let us move on to the next cutoff. The next cutoff we will discuss here is Z 2020 cutoff for business management, that is BM. So here the blue color represents male and the orange color represents female. The cutoff for male in VALR section was 74. I think it is 74 percentile, and then for female it is 72 percentile. Then the male cutoff in DM section was 78. Then in female the cutoff was 74. Now if you'll see the QA section, in QA section the cutoff for male was 85 and the cutoff for female was 75. And if we look at the overall cutoff, the overall cutoff for male was 95 marks and for female it was 93 marks. So let's see what's next. Next is the Z 2020 cutoff for human resource management program. Again here the blue one is for male engineering, orange one is for female engineering, gray one is for male non-engineering, and then the yellow is for female non-engineering. Let us look at the cutoff in VLR section. The cutoff was 79 marks. Then for female the cutoff was 74 marks. For male non-engineering the cutoff was 78 marks, and then for female non-engineering the cutoff was 73 marks. Now in DM section the cutoff for male engineer was 73 marks. The cutoff for female engineer was 68 marks. The cutoff for male non-engineer was 73 marks, and then cutoff for female non-engineer was 68 marks. In QA section the cutoff for male engineer was 75 marks. Then for female non-engineer it was 70 marks. For male non-engineer the cutoff was 70 marks, and then for female non-engineer the cutoff was 65 marks. If we'll talk about the overall cutoff marks, overall cutoff for male engineer was 93. Then for female engineer the overall cutoff was 91 marks. For male non-engineer the overall cutoff was 90 marks, and then for female non-engineer the overall cutoff was 88 marks. And let us look at the other cutoffs. Here we'll see the 2019 cutoff for business management. Here again the male is represented by blue color and the female is represented by orange color. Female cutoff is represented by orange color. So in VLR section the cutoff male cutoff was 79.46. Then for females the cutoff was 75 marks. In DM section the cutoff for male was 80 marks, and then the cutoff for female was 75 marks. Again in QA section the cutoff for male was 90 marks, and then cutoff for female was 75 marks. And the overall cutoff as we can see here is 96 for male and 95 for female. And let us move on to the next part. The next one is for human resource management. This is Z 2019 cutoff for human resource management. Here blue is for male and orange is for female. So here in VLR section the cutoff for male was 85 marks. Then the cutoff for female in VLR section was 80 marks. In DM section the male cutoff was 75 marks and the female cutoff was 70 marks. In quantitative aptitude the cutoff marks was 72 for male and 67 marks was the cutoff for female. And if you'll see at the overall cutoff, 94 was the cutoff for male and 93 was the cutoff for female. So guys, this was the video on that cutoff from 2019 to 2021. I hope this video will be useful for you, and if you find it useful please like the video and subscribe the channel for more updates. Thanks for watching.